sofela kuye. Isimo sisihle sisibi sofela kuye. Ngoba akekho omunye simaziyo, akekho omunye simthembile. Asinaye ngi-option ngaphandle kwakhe. Our plan A, it's him. Our plan B, it's him. That is why this morning sithi kuze kube phakade sofela kuwe. Amen, bazalwane. When I sing this song, ngiyamcabanga umuntu bekayibhala. Kimi kufika ukuthi bekangekho ebumnandini. Kimi kufika ukuthi bekanganale lingithemba. Kimi kufika ukuthi besekazamile ezinye izinto. But wabona ukuthi no, lingithemba lethu. Ilele ngizofela kule linguJehova. So namhlanje kuseni ngithi kukho konke kukhona sifeleni kuJehova. Ngiyanibingelela bazalwane. Good morning mother. Bengikublockile ngatholwa ubaba. Ngiyakubulisa ekseni. Ngibulisa ubaba angakafiki. Ngibulisa abazalwane ekseni. Sithi uJehova muhle bazalwane. uJehova, we can still trust him ngempilo zethu. uJehova usaso uNkulunkulu lo simaziyo osidlulise entweni. Na namhlanje usathembekile. Nalizwi elihleli emoyeni wami namhlanje. Likuma Psalms, ngicela sivule uPsalms 62. Sizomfunda wonke. It's a very short chapter, but ingcekithi yenkulumo yami lapha ku verse 8. Amahubo 62. Ngicela ningifundele abazalwane ngesizulu.
Nini nisukela umuntu ukuba nimbulale nonke njengodonga olwengemeyo nothango oludilikayo na? Yebo, bathunga incebo lokumiswa ekuphakameni kwakhe. Bathanda amanga, bayabusisa ngomlomo wabo. Kepha izibilini zabo bayaqalekisa sela. Mphefumulo wami zithulisele kuNkulunkulu kuphela ngokuba ithemba livela kuye. Nguye kuphela oyidwala lami nensindiso yami, inqaba yami angiyi kunyakaziswa. Insindiso yami nodumo lwami kuNkulunkulu. Idwala lami eliqinileyo nesiphephelo sami kuNkulunkulu. Thembani kuye ngezikhathi zonke nina bantu. Nithulule inhliziyo yenu phambi kwakhe uNkulunkulu. Uyisiphephelo sethu sela. Abantwana babantu bangumoya nje. Abantwana bezikhulu bangamanga. Esilinganisweni bayakukhuphuka balula kunomoya bonke. Ngichubeke.
No, singagcina lapho sis. Isihloko sendaba yami ithi usathembekile uJehova. Last week ubrother Umkiti ukhulume ngakho ukuthembeka kaJehova kuma Proverbs. Wathi uthembekile simnike zonke yena, he will direct our steps. So when I read ngithi mara baba sikhulumile mos last week ngokuthembeka. Uthi no, ngathi asikakezwa kahle ukuthi lo wasemandulo usasengoyena namhlanje and usathembekile. Now when I read this book kaDavide, what I've realized ukuthi uDavid uyamazi uNkulunkulu. I-reason ethi ngithi uDavide uyamazi uNkulunkulu makaqala this verse, this chapter, uyasho ukuthi uyidwala lakhe, uyisiphephelo sakhe. Kusho yena lokho, it shows me ukuthi vele uDavid uyamazi uNkulunkulu. Then uyachubeka uyazi ukuthi udlulephi naye. Kungakho ku verse 8 kuba easy athi themba bantu ukuthi ungubani uJehova. So in my heart I was saying, uzomtrusta kanjani umuntu ongamazi? If you don't have a relationship nomuntu, uzomtrusta kanjani uNkulunkulu ungamazi? Ngiyazindla ekseni nga this word ngithi mina it's a showcase ukuthi uNkulunkulu siyamtrusta. But umtrusta ngani? Yini le yenza ukuthi uthi mina ngiyamthemba uNkulunkulu? Yini le akudlulise kuyo ekwenza ukuthi ukwazi kuma namhlanje uthi ngiyamthemba uNkulunkulu? What evidence do you have ezokumisa namhlanje la uthi ngimile nje ngithemba uNkulunkulu ngoba ungidlulise ku1 2 3 no 4 no 5? Do you have that relationship? Uyamazi ukuthi angakwenzelani empilweni so that you'll be able to trust him. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mangithi ngiyadrive maybe ngithola iphantsa. The first person I would call uMasimini. Why ngifonela uMasimini? It's because ngiyamazi. Ngiyazi ukuthi mangizothi titi ngithi April kuyabheda uzojampa ezekimi, and leyo nto leyo seyenzeni ibuilde itrust kimi kuye ukuthi once ngabamba ifone ngathi ebhuti kuyabheda kuzoba right makufika yena. This is the relationship that we must have with God. Uthi masowuhambile uxakekile mawuthatha ifone uthi bra God angisakhoni. Ufona ngoba uyazi ukuthi masowumbizile yena ungabiza sabele uNkulunkulu akasi-disappoint endleleni. The only thing it's only for us to trust him, but we cannot trust him if asikhulumi naye. If we don't have that relationship, sanza amandla wakhe, izinto angasidlulisa kuye, angeke simthembe. Yes, you cannot trust umuntu ongamazi. Uyamtrusta umuntu masowudlule naye intweni. Masowudlule naye intweni ezinzima, not ebumnandini kuphela. You build trust nomuntu not ebumnandini. Masowudlule eintweni wabona ukuthi no, lo umuntu that I can rely on, then uyafunda ukumthemba loyo muntu. Kungakanani ke ngobaba wethu osidlulisa njalo ezintweni. Asinayo reason yokuthi asamtrust uNkulunkulu bazalwane. We cannot ukuthi last week brother umkiti usitshela ngokuthemba uNkulunkulu. It means somewhere somehow ezibandla sesine doubt. Akakwazi ukukhuluma ngokuthemba uNkulunkulu. Nami ngibathe bathe Nkosi mara bayikhulumile le ndaba yokuthemba uthi uzoyikhuluma. Mina I had prepared something as mina hayi bengingabe sengijuluke ngimanzi ngale bengiyiprepareile mina. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi no. Somewhere sihambile sisamthembi bazalwane. And the way singamthembi ngakhona uthi omunye makafika athi bamba bese uyabamba nawe kuthi izongisiza lento ngoba wenzeni awusamthembi uNkulunkulu. Usukhohliwe yini ukuthi ukudlulisephi? Usukhohliwe ukuthi uhleli la uwarm kumnandi. Ubuyaphi naye? Yini manje le yenza ukuthi umdawuthe? Ubuyaphi noNkulunkulu mzalwane? Ezibandla lasemndeni sesikhohliwe. I was not there when you were starting navele ngifika sokuyisithabathaba kumnandi, but niyazi ukuthi nibuyaphi nalo nkulunkulu. So why are you doubting him? Why are we doubting him? Sifika kumnandi sesihlela abomama abogogo bahlele ezitulweni eziredi. Sibuyaphi? Sibuyaphi nalo nkulunkulu? So why are we doubting him? Siyazi ukuthi sidlulephi naye. Wena as an individual uyazi ukuthi udlulephi naye. Awusebenzi but alikho ilanga nelilodwa la ulale khona ungadlanga. That is God. You ought to trust him. What are we trusting God for ezibandla lasemndeni this morning? uNkulunkulu uthi ngibuze ukuthi sikhohliwe ukuthi sibuyaphi naye. Sididwe yini bazalwane? Why sibanjwe izinto? Ngathi akaphili, ngathi akayenzi umsebenzi. Why are we doing that? Asimthembeni. Asimthembi kukuhle kuphela. Simthemba kunzima. Ubona ukuthi yabona la anginadabu lapho, but uyamkhumbuza ukuthi Nkosi wena iplan A yami uphinde ube iplan B yami. Akekho omunye engimaziyo ngaphandle. If awungiwezi kule nkinga engibhekene nayo, then angazi. Anginaye ngi-option ngaphandle kwakho. Uyikho konke engikudingayo empilweni yami. Ngila engikhona, it is because of you. Uyakwazi lokho, but you are still doubting him. Kufike kanjani lapho banizalwane? Ekseni izwi lithi khumbula. Khumbula ukuthi usukephi noJehova. Khumbula ukuthi usukephi noJehova. Awukwazi ukuthi ayangisamthemba, usamthembi ngoba kwenze njani? Yini lengcono soyithembile? Engcono ukudlula yena. Izwi lakhe lithi akawozeli akalali. Leyo ithembile idlula yena na? Ukwazi ukwenza indlela ehla ubani ongangaye? Ubani lo somthembile kanti wena? Lo sekaphakeme ngaleyo ndlela kuthi kunolwandle abantwana bakhe aluvulu ulwandle. Ubani who can do that if it's not our God? Then why are you not trusting him? Angeke umthembe if awazi ukuthi ubuyaphi naye. Angeke umthembe if awazi amandla wakhe. And you will never know amandla wakhe if you don't give yourself time yokuthi uvule izwi, lokuthi umamele izwi, uzwe ukuthi umkhulu kangakanani lo muntu engasamthembi. Unamandla. Unamandla okwenza konke. If he decides now ukuthi kuvele kube mnyama, kuzoba mnyama. Ukhona sisesontweni nabanye basesontweni. He is omnipresent. Sonke sibiza umuntu ubani ongangaye. Ubani okwazi ukube endaweni eziyi-1,000 ngesikhathi esiyi-1 if it's not our God? Then why are you not trusting him? Uthi uJehova Rafa upholisa izifo zethu. Noma ke Nkosi songangipholisanga, I still trust you. Uthi yena he is the provider. Ukwazi ukusuthisa abantu abayi-5,000 with just a loaf of bread and 2 yamafish. Who can do that? Bazalwane, ubani olingana naye? Sihlale sisengqondweni yakhe unokuhle futhi. He has good plans for us. Akanamona. Usho njalo kuJeremiah. Uthi I've got good plans for you. Plans to prosper you. Then why are you not trusting him with the plans? Ukwenzela amaplani. Because he understands ukuthi wena uzozilimita. Wena uzitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngizokwazi ukwenza u2 no3 no4, but yena no, uyazi amandla nawo. That is why anamaplani. Mthembe. Indlela zakhe ziphakeme bazalwane. Asifani nezethu. I was thinking ukuthi masi driver unokudriver a road oyijwayele mawuthi uyahamba uthole ukuthi kune detour. I-detour it's when sibona lona ayelo ukuthi hayi ungahambi straight. Jika. Ujike uzophinda ubuyele endleleni yakho. Unjalo uNkulunkulu wethu. Akuthi ngoba wena ujwayele ukuhamba straight, uhambe straight, bese mase kuthi kuyagega kancane ucabanga ukuthi akasekho. Uthi fear not. Usho njalo ku-Isaiah uthi fear not, I am with you. Ukuthi wena wagega amaplani wakho bewathi mina mangiphume e-university ngizothola umsebenzi ngenzeni. No. Uyazi vele ukuthi that's what you want. Maruthi before ufika lapho athi ngikuthi ngikushaya ngedetour kancane ngoba khona le ngisafuna ukuyilungisa ku. Trust him. Siyakhala sithi angashadi Nkosi sengina 35 sengina 40. Uthini uNkulunkulu ezwini lakhe? Uthi a day to me it's like 1,000 years. 1,000 years it's like a day to me. When le 35 years uyikhalelayo, maybe it's just seconds to him. Why don't you trust him? Themba uNkulunkulu bazalwane. Yazi ukuthi ubuyaphi nalo uNkulunkulu. Ungakhohle imisebenzi emihle ayenzile empilweni yakho. Saluhlaliswa yilokho ukuthi ngiyamthemba. Owase Calvary ngiyamthemba. Kuningi uNkulunkulu asenzela kona bazalwane. For ukuthi ngingahlala ngithi angisamthembi. For ukuthi ngingasuka manje ngithi ngisayohlo uhlolani. The one who has created me, ongibumbile ngisasesiswini sakamama, then he had good plans for me. Mawusuka kuye uthi uhlolani. Akakufihlelanga ezwini lakhe. Uthi I've got good plans for you. The only thing that you have to do is trust him. Ebandleni lasemndeni usisuse kude uJehova. Ngiyezwa abazalwane manikhuluma lana ukuthi niqale ekhaya kwaya ekhaya kwaba nje yaya kwaba isikolo kwaba yini. Nibuyaphi noJehova for ukuthi ningasamthembi namhlanje? I-building lesiqalayo ngali office it's nothing. If you look at ukuthi sibuyaphi nebandla noNkulunkulu. That building singayiqeda nje ngelanga elilodwa. Only if we can go back to him sithi Nkosi siyaxolisa. Baba siyaxolisa ukuthi ithemba lethu beliselingathi liyatekateka. We are coming back to you. Sithi sithemba wena asizukwenza ngamandla wethu but amandla siwathola kuwe. Asimthembeni bazalwane. For ukuthi umthembe mazi. Uzomazi ngokuthi ufunda izwi lakhe, ulalele izwi lakhe, uzindle ngaye. Because angeke uzuyitrust into ongayazi bazalwane. Ngeke uzuyitrust into ongayazi. Funda ngalento. He's a good God. Uyasithanda bazalwane uNkulunkulu. Lithi izwi lakhe akasibaleli njengokwenza kwethu. Uthi uhamba wena ubona uzihambela uhamba kumnandi kanti awazi ukuthi uhambe phambili uyakuashara. If he was not there ngabe kudala wakhubeka wangaphakami. Wena ucabanga ukuthi hayi imutleva amandla wami, no, it's him. Uvukile ekseni. You don't have to have big things ezikwenza ukuthi utrust uNkulunkulu. Ukuvuka ekseni uvula amehlo and see the sun. Akusiyiwa amandla wakho. That alone must tell you ukuthi trust him. Sihleli namhlanje sibahle sizomamela izwi likaNkulunkulu sizomkhonza. It's not ukuthi khona into engcono ngathi. Akukho okungcono. Asimthembeni nje uJehova. Bazalwane ekseni asimthembeni uJehova. Kukho konke esikwenzayo asimthembeni. Now when I look at David kuba easy kumthemba uNkulunkulu because he understands ukuthi mina ngibuya kude nalomuntu. Khumbula lapho kunebhere. Akusamandla wakhe ukuthi uzobulala ibhere, no. And iBhayibheli mali imchaza uDavid ngathi nje bekayiphethe it. And you look at ibhere. Bese uyazibuza ukuthi uyenze kanjani lento le. That is when you realize, no, bokungasuye bekayenza lezinto lezi. David was a shepherd. When you are a shepherd, kuba nezilwane, the lions, zifuna ukudla la emhlambini. But David bekakhona ukubulala lawo ma lions lawo. It's not ngamandla wakhe. David angithi wow, the giant. Ubani kwenza giant bazalwane? uGoliath. uDavid wahlanganisa wabulala iGoliath. uGoliath. Now he knows ukuthi nangizonzelanga ngamandla wami. Mina bengeke ngize ngikhone. Kungakho ke asho ukuthi themba uJehova. Usho ngesibindi because he understand ukuthi ubuyaphi naloNkulunkulu. Asimthembeni akadisappointani bazalwane. He's a good God. Kule verse masilifunda ngicela nje sengizoceda manje. Ku verse 8 uthi sesiyamthemba ngithi bese sithulula inhliziyo yethu phambi kwakhe. Mawuthulula into uyayi-emptysha uhlala u-empty. And you cannot empty yourself emntwini ongamthembi. Usho njalo uthi nithulule. When we look at prayer kaDavide, uDavide bekathi makajabulile uyathandaza. Bekathi wonile, remember uBathsheba, nkosikazi kaUri no David. Wona uDavid uthe makayenza wabuyela waya kuNkulunkulu wathandaza. Ujabulile uDavide uyathandaza. Ubhekene nempi uDavide uyathandaza. Uthulula konke kulomuntu amthembayo. Kulomuntu amaziyo. It means uNkulunkulu is our safe space. Uthulula konke. Ayikho into oyifihlayo kuye. Angithi uyamthemba. Angithi uyamazi. Ukuthi secret yakho mawuyishilo kuye angeke uyizwe kusasa mina sengigobhoza ngayo. Ujabulile mtshele ukuthi Nkosi I am so happy today. Inhliziyo yakho ibhlungu mtshele ukuthi Nkosi akuhambi kahle. Inhliziyo yami ayikho right. Uya ku-interview mtshele ukuthi Nkosi nayi interview engiya kuyo next week hamba nami. Why umtshele? Because umthembile. And you understand ukuthi you cannot do anything ngaphandle kwakhe. Ekseni ngithi asimthembeni bazalwane. Asimthembeni namandla wakhe amakhulu. It doesn't matter isituation esibhekene nayo, abantwana baya disrespecta, izwe lethu liyaxokozela, but we still trust God. Uqalile umsebenzi akavele nje awuyeke nje endleleni kanjalo. Njani manje uNkulunkulu? Uyangiqalisa manje usuyangeka sengihamba ngiwani. He's not a man ukuthi uzokuthembisa bese kusasa ngasafezi. Lokho akushile ezwini lakhe uzokwenza. And akakwenzi ngesikhathi sami. Mina isikhathi sami sithi kusasa Nkosi ngifuna ukube nje. But ngoba yena ubone ekujuleni uNkulunkulu ukhona everywhere. He has been uyakwazi ukuthi uzophelelaphi. Wena lokusasa lokufunayo uthi Nkosi mina ngifuna kube nje kusasa uthi no babe akakabi ready, akakabi isikhathi sakho, relax. Mthembe la ufuna ukuya khona uzoya, but trust me. Akukho kutheni bazalwane ngizokusho. But engikushoyo ukuthi let us not forget ukuthi sibuyaphi noNkulunkulu ezibandla. Let us not forget ukuthi ubuyaphi noNkulunkulu as an individual. Lokho ke makube yike ukuhlaliseni ekutheni ngiyamethemba waseCalvary. Yes, abangani bami ngiyababona bayenzani. It's not yet my time. Ezwini like uthi konke kunesikhathi. And if yena unama plans ngami, it means life yami mele ihambe ngendlela ngama plans wakhe, not ngama plans wami. Asimthembeni bazalwane. The delay that you have endleleni yakho, ucabanga ukuthi ngalesikhathi kuzobe kunje, ungakhathazeki. Khona la uJehova kisa khona. Noma songasakutholanga ke lokho. But the fact remains, trust him. Fela kuye. Sithi noma sifakaza ukuthi yes umama ugulile. Umama zange sithi athi simise inyangeni. Umama zange athi siyohlola. Yes azange aphile, but we still uye wamthemba uNkulunkulu kwaze kwaba segcineni. Noma ngasangiphilisanga kodwa ngiyamethemba waseCalvary. Noma ngasanginikanga lendlu keneyitebhisi ibe njani kodwa ngiyamthemba waseCalvary. Asimthembeni bazalwane. He is still dependable. He is still God. If ukwanzile ukukwenza, buke yakhe impilo. If ukwazile ukukwenza ukuthi namhlanje ube la, if it was not him, ngaba ukho lana. So continue trusting him. Continue trusting God. Akasiyeke endleleni bazalwane. Thina siyahamba vele ukuthi hayi ngathi hayi akusekho right. But still noma ngibuya kathi nompumelelo wena uthe mina ngisekho wahamba waya kumama umsebenzi, he still welcomes me with loving arms athi qhubeka endleleni. Ngoba singabantu bazalwane. Siyahamba sithi hayi ngathi lento leseyiweak. Ayikho weak. Uwo sowusukile kuye kumthembeni. Ekseni ngithi asibuyeleni sibandla. Ekseni ngithi asibuyeleni wena. Uthi ngibuyela kuwe uNkulunkulu ngokukuthemba. Ngikuthemba ngakho konke okwami. Konke okwami. Lokho engikwaziyo nalokho engingakwazi. Nalokho kuma plans wakho ngiyakuthemba ngakho. So ezibandla asimthembeni this morning. Kulesikhathi esisele from July to December asimthembeni. Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June. Ayenzekanga leyo iplanile. But akusho ukuthi angeke iziyenzeke. Wena bowuthe uzobe sowenza u2 no 3 no 4 manje. Maruthi yes uplanile, yes ungitshelile ukuthi ufuna kusengenzeka. But trust me. So namhlanje kuseni ngiyacela sibandla. Ngicela siphenduke, ngicela sixolise kuNkulunkulu. Asikwazi ukuthi last week isikhuluma ngokuthemba. Na namhlanje uNkulunkulu uthi batshele ukuthi ngithi bangithembe. So ona la le tips nyane kwenza ukuthi hayi man ngathi sengine doubt nyane. So ngizocela siphakame uyixolisele wena. Kuthi Nkosi ngenzile ukuthi angihlamba ngisakuthembi kahle. Maso uyixolisele wena bese siyaxolisa ezibandla ukuthi ezibandla losemndeni Nkosi mhlambe sikhohliwe ukuthi sisuke phi nawe. Sicela into ethelelo siqala kabusha ekuthembeni because wena siyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza izinto. So ngizocela uDlamini just one song, then we stand up and ask forgiveness from God. Kuthi sambile endleleni sakhohlwa okuhle senzele kona.
Every day and every hour